I explained the curve. What is the area under the curve? In this bell-shaped curve, left-hand side 0.5, right-hand side +5. Okay. And I explained all these things in the previous class. Next part is standard normal variate. What is standard normal variate? Standard normal variate is a normal distribution where the mean is equal to 0. Mean value is 0. If mean value is 0 and standard deviation is 1, if standard deviation is 1, the distribution is called as standard normal variate. Standard normal variate. Standard normal variate is the variation or distribution where mean is 0 and standard deviation is 1. And it is denoted by Z. It is denoted by Z. You remember this. And this is a function. In the standard normal variate, probability density function is 1 divided by square root of 2 pi expectation raised to minus Z raised to 2 by 2. And Z is in between minus infinity and plus infinity. This is the point you remember. Okay, so let us X be the normal variate. If X is the normal variate, we consider X as the normal variate with mean and standard deviation. With mean and standard deviation, then it is denoted by Z is equal to X minus mean divided by standard deviation. This is the standard normal variate equation. This is the standard normal variate equation. We use this. Okay. This is the standard. Okay. And whatever your probability may be, more than this, less than this, or in between given value. The standard normal variate may be more than the given value or less than the given value, or standard normal variate is in between the given values. Sari ನೆನಪು ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಟ್ ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ನೀವು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತನೇ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ದಾಗ ಇಡ್ಬೇಕು. ठीक है. And you have to ascertain the answer. This is the standard. And actual may be more than this, less than this, or this may be in between more and less. Remember this. And you remember the standard normal variate equation. Okay. So SNV is denoted by N is the number of values, 0 is the mean, 1 is the standard deviation. Okay. Only thing is remember what is standard normal variate. 2 marks salvagi is one line and and the equation important. Okay. Now you see the example. You see this example. The weights of 1000 students. Weights of 1000 students is normally distributed with mean 40. 1000 students are there. 1000 students are there, and the weight of the students, 1000 students weight, mean is given, average is given, average is 40. Okay. The mean is 40 and standard deviation is 4. The parameters of normal distribution are mean and standard deviation. Mean and standard deviation is given in the problem. Okay. Then you ascertain the given requirement. Okay. You ascertain the required answer. Find the number of students with weight less than 50 kg. The question is how many students? Find the number of students. Find the number of students. Find the number of students with weight less than 50 kg, less than 50 kg. Okay, first you calculate the probability, then multiply by n. Multiply by n. You will get the answer. You will get the answer. So less than 50 kg weight. Okay, the first question is less than 50 kg weight. So the standard normal variate is less than 50. Standard normal variate is less than 50. And second question is between 40 to 45 kg. Second question is 40 to 45 kg. Okay, two questions asked for you people. So the given thing is mean is equal to 40. Mean is given in the problem 40. Standard deviation is 4. Okay. Then your question is less than 50 kg. First question. First question is less than 50 kg. Okay. So you have to calculate probability of X is less than 50 kg. Less than 50 kg. Probability of X is less than 50 kg. So your answer, probability of X is less than 50 is equal to Z is less than 50. Standard normal variate is less than 50. Standard normal variate. I have already given the standard normal variate. Standard normal variate is less than 50. Okay. So then Z is equal to, the Z equation is X minus mean divided by standard deviation. X minus mean minus standard deviation. So Z is equal to X minus 40 divided by 4. This is the standard. X minus 40 divided by 4 is the standard. Remember this. This is the standard. And then you calculate the given question. Probability of X is less than 50. Less than 50. So note. Less than 50 and standard and Z. Z is equal to X minus 40 divided by 4. Okay. In place of Z, you write this equation and fill the X value as 50 kg. Okay. X is 50 kg. You fill X as 50 kg. Then probability of X is greater than, X is less than 50 is equal to probability of X minus mean divided by standard deviation. X minus mean minus standard deviation is the Z value. It is the standard one, Z value. And in the same equation, you fill the value. This is the value of Z. This is the value of Z. Okay. And Z is less than 50. 50 minus mean. X value is 50. X is 50. You remember here. X is equal to 50. If you want to write, you write here X 50. Okay. In the same equation, you fill the value. X is 50 minus mean. Mean is 40 divided by 4. You fill this. Okay. In model Z jagadaga Z equation tumri antara adi number etya number mat ida equation barre. You write the same equation and fill the value. X is 50, mean is 40, standard deviation is 4. Okay. And then next step is, if you solve this, probability of X is less than 50. Less than 50 is equal to X minus mean divided by standard deviation. This is the standard normal variate. Otherwise, you write 40 divided by standard deviation. Right? 40 divided by standard deviation. From next problem, I'll write it 40 divided by standard deviation. Okay. 50 minus 40 is equal to 10 divided by 4. 10 divided by 4. This is the simplification. In the next step, probability of Z. Again, I have taken the Z value. X minus mean divided by standard deviation is equal to Z. Z is smaller than 2.5. You put a bracket here. Okay, Z is smaller than 25. This is the point you have to solve with the graph. Remember this. Okay, you have to go through the normal distribution table. You go through the normal distribution table and then solve it. Next step is you have to draw the graph. Illi tanaka bidisri. Ist ಬಂದ ನಂತರ answer Z is equal to Z is smaller than 2.5. 2.5. Okay. In the side place, you draw the normal distribution curve. This is the x-axis. Then this is the curve. Okay, this is the curve. In the middle, you give one line. This is 0. Okay, this is the normal distribution curve. This is the normal distribution curve. Left hand side is 0.5, right hand side 0.5. Then left hand side is minus. Remember this. The left hand side portion is minus, right hand side is plus. Okay, your answer Z is greater than 2.5. 2.5 is the number, positive number. So you mark positive side. You mark positive side like this. You mark one line, you draw one line in the positive side at any place, more or less, you draw one line. Okay, 2.5, you write this line as a 2.5. Okay, 2.5. In this way, you draw the graph. Once again, you see the graph. First, you draw the x-axis, then draw the bell-shaped curve. Then, in the middle, you put one line that is 0. That is 0. Left-hand side is minus, right-hand side is plus. Remember this. Thereafter, 2.5 is the number here. Here is the 2.5. And you draw one line that is 2.5. Okay. Thereafter you see this. Z is smaller. Z is smaller than 2.5. Smaller means you mark left hand side. Smaller means you mark left hand side. Larger means you mark right hand side. Remember this point very carefully. So, smaller means you mark left hand side. Left hand side is the smaller one. From this line, 2.5 line is here. Less than this means all the remaining part of the left hand side. So this is the area covered. Like this, you mark it. This is the less than. This is the less than. You may put a cross line also. This is less than. Okay, you remember this. This is less than. Less than 2.5. Less than 2.5. Less than 2.5. You see this area. What is the area covered here? Here area covered is 0 to 2.5, one area. 0 to 2.5, one area. And left hand side 0 to infinity, another area. So you have to write it in a descriptive way. You see here, what is the area covered? Area is from 0 to 2.51 and 0 to minus infinity. There are two areas. Okay. Carried out the killed. In area mark less than another geri to Hindi mark. Clear? Then I'll write the Next step. So probability of x is greater than probability of x is less than 50 is equal to area from 0 to minus infinity. I forget right here. 0 to minus infinity. This is minus infinity. Area from 0 to minus infinity 1. Okay, this is the one area. This is one area. And another area is 0 to 2.5. Another area. Okay. And I told that 0 to minus infinity. What is the area? Minus 0 to minus infinity. Yet area. Anyone tell me what is the area? Left hand side area. 0 to minus infinity area. I already explained this. Anyone tell me what is the area? 0 to minus in
0.5.
0.5. Okay. So this is 0.5 and 0 to 2.5. Okay. Another area is 0.0 to 2.5. This area you have to see in the table. Normal distribution table you have to see. So you see in the normal distribution table. Is it transparent? Normal distribution table. Is it transparent or not? And you tell me the 2.5 value. What is the value of 2.5? You see this table, normal distribution curve. Z is here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 9 is there. Okay. Then 2.5 value. What is the 2.5 value? 2.50, 0 column. The normal distribution table is visible or not? Table ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕಾಣಿಸಾಕತ್ತಿದ್ರ ಈಗ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. This is the first column. 2.5 is here. Okay, 2.5. 2.5 exact number is there. So you see the first column, 2.50, 0 column. In the 0 column, 0.4938 is there. Okay, you take this value. 0.4938. Clear? You take this value. So you see here, probability of x is less than 50 is equal to area from minus 0 to minus infinity is 0.5 and area from 0 to 2.5 is 0.4938. You take the total. Total is 0.9938. Okay, this is probability value. This is probability value. They ask to calculate number of students. Number of students. Therefore, you have to calculate the number of students. So number of students is equal to n into probability of x. N into probability of x. This is the probability value. Then number of students is required. You multiply the n value with the probability of x. Okay. So number of students is equal to n is 1000. Total number of students is 1000 into probability is 0.9938. So is equal to 993.8. 993.8.
आपण बसतो घ्यावं म्हणतात मामीला काय करणार ते नाही
पायाला उतारून नाही,
मामीला काय
You see this?
ते मामीला काय म्हणणार मी बसतो घ्यावं दारू म्हटलं
993.8 students. So it is 0.8. You take near number. So near number is 994 students. 994 students is the answer. 994 students weight is 994 students weight is less than 50 kg. 50 kg. The first question answer. Remember this. Okay. This is the first question answer. Clear? Come to the second question. Second question is between 40 and 45. Between 40 and 45 is the question. So second question I will solve. You see here. In the next page I will take it. Between 40 and 45. Between 45 and 45 means 40 kg to 45 kg weight. Probability is required. Probability is required. Therefore, probability of x is in between 40 and 45. In between 40 and 45. Therefore, probability of x is greater than 40 and less than 45. Write this statement. Probability of x is less than 45, greater than 40. Okay. So probability of x is probability of x is greater than 40, less than 45. In between means these two numbers. So your z is in between 40 and 45. Okay. So in this place of z is standard normal variate. In place of z you write the equation. In place of this z, you write the equation. So standard normal variate is x minus mean divided by standard deviation. You remember this? How to write it? I'll show here. you write this equation in place of 40, and in place of this z, and in place of this 45. 3 times you write the equation. You write this equation 3 times, and in the first equation you write x as 40. In the second equation you don't write the x value, and in the third equation you write x is 45. Remember this. Ida equation 3 sala bariಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Okay, you see here x is equal to z is equal to x minus 40 divided by 4. 40 is the mean, 4 is the standard deviation. Okay, you see here 3 times I recorded. 3 times I recorded in the first equation. In the first equation, x value is 40. X is 40. Mean is 40 divided by standard deviation 4. And z equation, it is common. It is common. Middle. Z value is common. Okay, this is the common. And in place of third equation, x is 45. X is 45. Okay, mean is 40 divided by 4. In this way, you put the value. You put the value. So, in the next step, probability of x is greater than 40 and less than 45 is equal to probability of 40 minus 40, 0. 40 minus 40, 0 divided by 4 is smaller than x minus mean divided by standard deviation. Okay, is smaller than 5 divided by 4. 45 minus 4. Sorry, 45 minus 40. 45 minus 40 is equal to 5 divided by 4. Okay, if you simplify this, 0 by 4 is equal to 0, and in place of x minus mean divided by standard deviation, I write the standard normal variate symbol. Symbol is z. Symbol is z. So 0 is smaller than z. Z is smaller than 1.25. 1.25 means 4 by 5. 4 by 5 means 1.25. Remember this. Okay. You put a bracket here. Then, after this, you draw the graph. In this stage, you draw the graph. This is the graph. Okay. This is the graph. In this graph, you draw the line. This is the 0. 0 line. And first value is 0. You see this value. In your equation, first value is 0. First value is 0. So this is the 0 line. Okay, 0 line. And second value is 1.25. 1.25 is plus. In the plus side, you draw another line. In the plus side, you draw another line. Okay. This is the second line for the second number, 1.25. 1.25. Okay, 1.25. First value is 0. Second value is 1.25. And your probability of x is in between 0 and 1.25. Your value is in between 0 and 1.25. Okay, so 0 to 1.25, 0 to 1.25 area you mark. 0 to 1.25 area. 0, here is a 0 from 1.25. Like this you mark it. Like this you mark. You mark this value. This is the area 0 to 1.25. So 0 to 1.25 area is required. So you go to the normal distribution table. Normal distribution table, you find the value of 1.25. 1.25 value you find in the table. This is normal distribution table. In this table, you see here 1.25. 1.2 is here. Here is the 1.2. Here is the 1.2 and 5 column. Fifth column. Here is the fifth column. You will come like this. What is the number here? What is the number here? You see the number and tell me. What is the value of 1.25? (1.25) value. 1.25 means 1.2 natural number, 5th column. You see. Its value is 0.3944. Is it? This is the value. This value you take. You take this value. So 0 to 0.25 value. So the area is, so your area is area from 0 to 1.25. Area from 0 to 1.25. 1.25. So area point 1.25 in your table is 0.3944. 3944. Okay, 3944 is the probability. Then they ask to calculate number of students. Therefore, number of students you calculate. Number of students you calculate. The number of students is equal to number of students is equal to n into probability of x. Okay. So number of students is equal to n is 1000 into probability is 0.3944. 3944. Okay. Is equal to number of students is equal to number of students is equal to 394.4. Okay. So it is, this answer is therefore number of students is equal to 394. Okay, 394 students are having the weight between 40 to 45 kg. 40 to 45 kg between weight is 394 students nearly. Okay, you write this. Number of students with 40 to 45 kg weight is 394. This is the answer. Remember this. This is enough for today. You go through this problem. You go through this problem and how to find out the area in the graph or the normal distribution curve.